In this video, I'll demonstrate adding an indicator to a new chart, modifying its parameters, changing the plot style of an indicator, and adding multiple indicators to a chart. There are a few ways to add an indicator to a chart. You can either click on the indicator's icon in the chart toolbar, or right-click on the chart and select Indicators. NinjaTrader comes pre-configured with over 100 free indicators. You can browse and select those you wish to add to your chart from the available list on the top left of the menu. I'll locate the EMA indicator, select it, then hit the Add button below to add it to this chart. When I click OK, you can see the EMA has been added to the chart. To modify the properties of an indicator, you can double-click on it. This will open up the Indicators menu once more. The right side of the Indicators menu is where you can access all of the properties for each indicator. I'm going to change the period value of my EMA to 20. When I click Apply, you can see the update to the EMA on this chart. I can also access visual properties here. If I scroll down to the Plot section and expand these properties, I can change the line width, line style, and color of the EMA. Again, when I click OK, these changes are reflected on the chart. Next, I can add a second indicator to this chart by accessing the Indicators menu once more. Just like I did with the EMA, I'll find the indicator I want to add to the chart from the available menu, then click Add. The RSI is now included in the configured list below. I can access its properties on the right, just as I did with the EMA. I can also click between any of the configured indicators to access their individual properties at any time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more of our videos for quick tips to help you get started with NinjaTrader.